Welcome to Nature Redacted. In this video, we explore Soma, the lost Vedic drink of immortality. For millennia, humans have sought immortality. From alchemists to philosophers, the dream of eternal life has captivated our imaginations. But what if a path to extended lifespan wasn't a mere fantasy? What if an ancient secret, whispered through generations, held the key to unlocking longevity? Today, we delve into the enigma of Soma, a sacred drink mentioned in the Vedic scriptures of ancient India. Revered as a divine elixir, it promised immortality and enlightenment to those who partook in its ritualistic consumption. The origins of Soma are shrouded in mystery, lost to the mists of time. References to this mystical beverage appear throughout the Rigveda, one of Hinduism's oldest texts dating back over 3,000 years. The hymns describe Soma as a plant with intoxicating properties, capable of bestowing divine visions, enhanced mental clarity, and even physical immortality. Ancient civilizations across the globe, from Egypt to Rome to China, seem to possess similar knowledge of psychoactive plants used for spiritual purposes. Could Soma have been a shared secret, a universal key to unlocking hidden potential within humanity? But why did this potent elixir disappear from history? While the Rigveda extols Soma's virtues, it offers little concrete information about its botanical origin. Scholars have long debated the true identity of the Soma plant, proposing numerous candidates based on textual clues and linguistic analysis. Some believe it to be a type of mushroom, while others point towards ephedra or even cannabis as potential sources. The lack of definitive evidence has fueled speculation and controversy for centuries. Adding to the complexity, many ancient texts depicting Soma consumption were later suppressed or misinterpreted by subsequent religious authorities. Could this suppression stem from fears surrounding the drink's potent effects? Was it deemed too powerful, too disruptive to societal norms? Or was there a deeper reason, a hidden truth that those in power sought to conceal? Modern researchers are utilizing cutting-edge technology to shed light on Soma's enigmatic nature. Chemical analysis of ancient texts and artifacts is revealing traces of psychoactive compounds that could align with the effects described in the Rigveda. Some scientists believe that Soma contained a combination of alkaloids, stimulating neurotransmitter activity and inducing altered states of consciousness. The rediscovery of Soma holds profound implications for modern society. In an era grappling with mental health challenges, chronic illness, and existential anxieties, the potential benefits of a naturally occurring substance capable of enhancing cognitive function and promoting well-being are undeniable. Could Soma unlock the secrets to longevity, allowing us to live healthier, more fulfilling lives? However, the ethical implications of reviving such a powerful substance cannot be ignored. Careful research and responsible application are crucial to ensure that Soma is not misused or abused. Perhaps the true lesson of Soma lies not in its physical properties but in its symbolic representation, a reminder of humanity's enduring quest for transcendence and the profound connection between mind, body, and spirit. The mystery of Soma continues to captivate us, urging us to explore the hidden potential within ourselves and the natural world. Will we unlock its secrets, or will it forever remain an enigma lost to time?